In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Agoda account. To begin, open your Agoda app. Once you are on the home page, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. From there, scroll all the way down until you reach the Account Settings section. At the very bottom, you will see the option Delete My Account. Tap on it once to continue. If you are asked to verify your account by entering your password, go ahead and do so. In some cases, you may not be prompted for verification and will be taken directly to the deletion page. On this page, Agoda will clearly explain what happens once you delete your account. They will inform you that you will no longer be able to access or recover your account after deletion. All of your coupons, saved cards, or VIP status will also be permanently removed. Agoda further mentions that your data will be held for 120 days for administrative reasons. After this period, all of your information will be permanently erased from their system. If you agree to these terms, tap on Delete My Account. Agoda will then ask you one last time to confirm whether you are sure about this action. Simply confirm again by tapping on Delete My Account. If you have a standard Agoda account, it will be deleted at this point. However, if your account is linked with Agoda Homes or YCS, then the app will instruct you to contact their support team via email. In that case, open your email app such as Gmail, compose a new message, and send a request to the Agoda email address provided. In your message, clearly state that you want your account to be deleted. Once they receive your request, Agoda will review it and may reply asking for any additional information. After their confirmation, your account will be deleted permanently. That is the complete process for deleting your Agoda account.